Hey guys, today I'm making sea bass with some steamed spinach. It's a super easy lunch to make and very healthy at the same time. It's one of my favorite things and I eat it very often. So I've already salted the fish, so I'm just gonna put it here. I put the oven on 200 degrees and depending on how big the fish is, you need to cook it for maybe around 20-25 minutes at 200 degrees. Just gonna season it with some olive oil now. Add some garlic, especially at this time. It's very good to fight the viruses and bacteria. While the fish is in the oven, I'm gonna steam some spinach. Salad is one of my favorite meals and dishes, and I cannot imagine a meal without a salad like this. The fish looks ready. I'm gonna clean it now and serve it on a plate. Adding some olive oil with some chopped up garlic. And that's it, my lunch is ready. It was very quick and easy. I'm gonna go and eat now. Stay tuned for more of my food stories.